Making tough decisions is never easy. We all face moments in life where the choices before us seem overwhelming, and the stakes feel incredibly high. Whether it's a career move, a personal relationship, or a financial investment, the pressure to make the right decision can be intense. But today, I'm going to share 3 proven frameworks that can help you navigate those tricky waters. These methods have been tried and tested by many, and they offer a structured approach to decision-making that can bring clarity and confidence. Let's dive in. First up, we have the classic pros and cons list. It's simple, but incredibly effective. This method has stood the test of time because of its straightforward approach. Grab a piece of paper and draw a line down the middle. This visual separation helps in organizing your thoughts clearly. On one side, list all the benefits of making the decision. Think about the positive outcomes, the opportunities, and the potential gains. On the other, list the drawbacks. Consider the risks, the downsides, and any potential losses. Seeing everything laid out in front of you can bring clarity and help you weigh your options more objectively. This method forces you to confront both the good and the bad, making it easier to see the bigger picture. Next, there's the regret minimization framework. This one comes from Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon. It's a powerful tool for long-term thinking. Think about yourself in the future, maybe 10 or 20 years from now. Imagine looking back on this moment from that future perspective. Ask yourself, which decision would I regret not making? This question helps you focus on what truly matters in the long run. This framework pushes you to consider the long-term impacts and helps you choose the path with fewer regrets. It's about minimizing future regret and making choices that align with your long-term goals and values. Last but not least, we have the Eisenhower Matrix. This one's all about prioritization. Named after President Dwight D. Eisenhower, this matrix helps you categorize tasks and decisions based on their urgency and importance. Draw a box and divide it into 4 quadrants. This visual tool helps in organizing your tasks and decisions in a clear and structured manner. Label them urgent and important, not urgent but important, urgent but not important, and not urgent and not important. This categorization helps in understanding the true priority of each task or decision. Place your decision into one of these quadrants. This helps you see where your focus should be and what can be postponed or delegated. This helps you focus on what's truly important and urgent, and what can wait or even be delegated. It's a great way to manage your time and resources effectively. These frameworks won't make the decision for you, but they provide a structured way to think things through. They offer a way to break down complex decisions into manageable parts, making the process less daunting. So next time you're faced with a tough choice, try one of these methods. They can help you approach your decision with more confidence and clarity. You'll be surprised at how much clearer things can become. By using these frameworks, you can turn a stressful decision-making process into a more manageable and even enlightening experience. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Human Potential Hacks and give this video a like. Thanks for watching. Your support helps us create more content to help you unlock your full potential.